It's raining sideways on this very far away planet. You heard that right? It's raining molten glass sideways on this very far away planet. And you might be thinking to yourself, why don't I hear about this kind of stuff more often? Why is this not in the news? Well, it's because most planets in the universe are really far away and we can't see them that well. But thanks to some incredible space tech, we've managed to get a few glimpses of what's going on other planets in our universe. And one of the things we've seen is this: molten glass sideways. This is happening on an exoplanet called HD 189733b. Let's take a look at this weird planet and why it's literally sideways raining molten glass. So first of all, this planet isn't like Earth. This planet is about twice the size of Earth and it has an atmosphere, but it's so far away from its star that it's extremely cold. It's estimated that the temperature on this planet reaches around negative 220 degrees Celsius. Now, if you live in a place where it gets pretty cold, negative 220 degrees Celsius is extremely cold. That's insanely cold, but it gets even colder than that. Scientists have also estimated that the temperature on the night side of this planet reaches a bone-chilling negative 300 degrees Celsius. And here's why it's so cold. This planet is incredibly far away from its star. It's about 63 light years away from us, so that's already pretty far. But it's also incredibly far away from its star. It orbits a star that is about twice the size of our sun, but it's 63 light years away. You know when you walk outside and you feel the warmth of the sun on your face? Yeah, that's nice, isn't it? Well, the people who live on HD 189733b don't get that luxury. The sun is just too far away for these people. So it's freezing cold on this planet. And then something really weird happens. Despite the fact that it's freezing cold on this planet, scientists have detected that it rains molten glass sideways at around 5,000 miles per hour. And that's just the speed of the glass. The winds on this planet reach speeds of up to 9,000 miles per hour. It's so windy and the glass is so hot that it just melts. And then it rains sideways at 5,000 miles per hour. Now, you might be wondering, what does this mean for the people living on this planet? Can they even live on this planet? Would I be able to survive on this planet? And the answer is no. No, you wouldn't be able to survive on this planet. In fact, there probably aren't any people living on this planet because it's probably just a big massive rock. There's probably no life there at all. But it's still a very interesting planet because it shows us that there are all kinds of planets out there with very different conditions than Earth. And that's really interesting to scientists because it helps them learn more about how planets form and evolve. They can study this planet and learn more about our own planet. So next time you look up into the sky and see a cloud, just remember that there are all kinds of crazy things happening in the universe. There are planets that are sideways raining molten glass. And compared to that, Earth seems pretty boring, but we love our planet anyway. So what do you think? Would you visit this planet? If you could, would you go to this sideways molten glass raining planet? Probably not. I think I'll stick to Earth. What about you? Leave a comment below. Hey, thanks for watching. Hey, remember to stay tuned for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. See you next time.